Hello YouTube. Thank you for stopping by today. Airplane Ambition is all about airplanes. Everything we talk about on this channel is going to be about flying or airplanes or something aviation. Please leave your comments down below. If there's topics you guys want me to cover, please let me know and I will put something together. A little bit about me. How did I get involved in aviation? What was that spark or that trigger that made me want to be involved in aviation? It actually started back when I was a kid in the 7th grade. I had the opportunity to take a flight. It wasn't a official discovery flight, but someone in the family knew that had a small plane, and I got the opportunity to go on a flight. I remember showing up, and it wasn't a traditional airport. It really looked like just a field out by a barn. So it was me and another friend of mine that got to go on this ride. He sat in the back. I sat in the front. I remember getting in, sitting in the co-pilot seat, and we took off down a grass runway. It was a lot of fun. It kind of reminded me of the old Volkswagens when you would really get those up to speed and what those sound like and what those feel like. We were going down that grass runway. The whole thing was jostling back and forth, and then we lifted off. Great experience. It was just one of the highlights of my 7th grade year. While I was up in the air on that flight, I had the opportunity to take the controls for a little bit. Just a really great experience, being able to fly the plane a little bit at that time. That was quite a few years ago. Obviously, life happens, school, kids, and so I'm at the point where I'm able to go through and get my private pilot's license. I'm working towards that. Hopefully we'll be done soon, but I wanted to include you guys on YouTube on this journey, answer any questions you have, and encourage those who are wanting to get into aviation or just have more discussions about aviation. Thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. Help me build this channel, and I hope you enjoy the content.